Tonight, I'm going to make goat's cheese and fig pizza. Ambitious? Not when you've got the Smart Oven Compact Convection. With its clever pizza function, homemade pizza will quickly become a favorite in your household. Insert the wire rack to the middle position and close the oven door. Use the function dial to select the pizza function. The LCD displays the cook preset time with the convection and frozen settings. To adjust the cook time, press the Start Cancel button until the LCD displays 15 minutes cooking time. Then turn the dial to your desired time. If you're working with a frozen pizza, use the frozen setting to automatically lower the temperature and extend the time slightly. Alternatively, select Convection. You may notice the set cooking temperature will adjust to compensate for the convection fan increasing cooking rates. That's normal. Press the Start Cancel button to activate the Smart Oven Compact Convection Pizza function. And once it's preheated, you're ready to go. May the browning of toppings begin. Whether it's freshly made or store-bought dough, or even a frozen pizza, it's all simple with the pizza function. Would anybody like a slice?